What's up, YouTube? It's Jay Smooth back with a brand new video. This is a different type of video today that I'm doing. It's a hair tutorial. This is my first hair tutorial on my channel, but we'll see how this goes. This part of this video, I'm talking to him on what type of haircut he wanted, and he told me he wanted mid high ball fade. And I mean, this is what I did, and yeah, let's go on with this video. So right here, I put my initial guideline with my trimmer. Put the bald guideline in. I make sure to try to make it evenly all the way around. So in this part of the video, I'd start on one side, and then I try to flip them to the other side, and just try to meet in the back, so it can be a nice even guideline behind the back, as you guys can see. And then right here, you can't barely see what I'm doing, but I think in this part of this video, I grab my bald shavers, make sure to get all the stubbles out of his head, make sure it's a nice clean surface that I could do an initial fade on him and proceed with it. So yeah, just stick around with this video, and I'll keep explaining what I keep doing step by step. So what I like doing after with every single client of mine, I love brushing, not love, but I like to brush their hair down to make sure everything's laid down flat. As you can see, I'm in school right now in this video, and I'm explaining to the other students like what I normally do when I'm fading, because we have some people that are barely learning how to fade. So yeah, in this video you'll see me a lot of explaining and everything, but I muted it so we could just get through this process and make it a lot more easier for you guys just to understand me instead of hearing like voices in the background. But here we go with my my wall seniors. I have the lever open. I try to make like a half, maybe I go halfway up with my lever open, all the way around the parietal ridge basically. Try to make a nice even, try to go over it more than once to make sure all the hair is even and give me a nice clean fade. Alright, so on this side, I know I didn't show the whole, this is a kind of a short little video. I didn't show me doing both sides of the head because I did not pay attention to my camera, and I realized towards the very end that I only recorded one side. But on this side, I already finished on the left side, so I'm just starting on the right side and trying to make sure everything's all laying down properly, make sure everything's even, so I can start fading. But my fading technique, I normally start from bottom to top. So as here you can see, I'm just closing the lever little by little. Make sure that zero bald guide line is out. And here I grab my trimmers, make sure that the line's out and it's not seen. I try to make sure all my fades are smooth and everything looks that clean look. And here I put on the number 1 guard. I go like an inch or half an inch, let's say half an inch, up on his head, and I go over it more than once, like I said, make sure all the hair is even, nice and even. And from here I throw on I'm pretty sure I throw on the half guard. Yes, I throw on the half guard. I go halfway open, start flicking up at that line to try to take it off slowly. And then here I'm pretty sure I close the lever all the way down, so it's just a whole even half guard on. And then I'm pretty sure the line was still kind of there. And yeah, alright, here I go with my lever open, try to erase the whole line, make sure it's a nice clean fade on him, because you always want to make sure your fade is not all over the place. You just want to make sure it's a nice and even fade all the way around. Alright, and then here I throw on my 1.5 guard on. I go like about an inch up. It creates another line, as you can see. And from here, I normally, here you're going to see me explain the back, because towards the very back you can see that the hair does not grow straight up and down, it grows at an angle. So you're going to see me try to explain to them to hit that hair at the angle that the hair is growing, so it leave a nice fade. But you can see the fade coming along. It's coming out nice and clean. See, yeah, here you see me explain how to go against the hair, not against the hair, but with the hair, the pattern of the hair growth. So make sure to take out the line and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying this video and staying along with this video. So right here, I put on my number 2 guard, and as I can see, I think I go back with my 1 guard open. Basically, it's the same thing as a 1.5 guard to go take that initial line out, the guideline that I have on there. I normally put on the number 2s because I saw pretty much bulk up there building up, and yeah, I just wanted to all transition well with the fade and everything. So yeah, this purple guard right here is my number 2. And then I go over it more than one time, and I think from here I put on my 1.5 guard on the pink color one, and I start I think open, and I start working close. So yeah, my lever right here is open, and I work my way down, so I close it little by little until that initial guideline is out. So yeah, see, as you guys can see, the transitions coming out nice and clean. But yeah, one thing I would like to let you guys know, stay consistent with your cuts. Follow the same pattern. Find what's best and easiest for you to stick to your haircuts. And yeah, just have fun with it. Feel like barbering is one of the most amazing things that I've learned, and it comes in handy. There's people that want cuts every single day, so it's something that you can turn into something good for yourself. So yeah, just stay consistent, follow your dreams, and yeah, stay locked in and watch this amazing transition come out here at the very end. I know skip part of this video, but this is where my camera cut off, and I didn't realize it until I checked that the angle was all good and proper. But here's what I'm doing, his lineup. He does not have a lineup. So here you're going to see me start brushing down the front of the hair, lining it up. But his face is more like a circle, so I literally have to make a lineup on it. But I tried to keep it as natural as possible as I can. I don't want to push him up, but on him, I have to push him up just a little bit, because even if I don't try to line him, like push him back all the way back, his lineup just comes out so crooked and literally looks like a downhill lineup, and I don't like that. But here, basically the finished product, basically almost done. You see how nice and clean that fade is. I spin them around so you guys can see the lineup's nice and crispy, and yeah, see, the finished product is right here. See, you can see the lineup's nice, straight, nice lineup. Fade is nice and clean. You can see it right there in the mirror. Mirror tells no lie, is doing the justice. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, hope you guys can subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, I'm gonna be making more tutorials for you guys, and here's gonna be more content soon. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Stick around, and yeah, remember to stay positive and smile. Peace.